Want to make good money while working outdoors and staying active? If mowing lawns, raking leaves, and helping your community sounds better than flipping burgers, yard work might just be your perfect side hustle. Busy parents, elderly neighbors, and even local businesses need yard work help, but don't always have the time or energy to do it. That's where you come in. Offer your help, set your schedule, and start earning. This side hustle is perfect if you like working outdoors and don't mind getting a little dirty. Want a flexible gig that lets you work after school or on weekends? Prefer setting your own rates instead of earning minimum wage? Have basic knowledge of yard tools or are willing to learn? Getting started is easy. Here's what you need to do. Start small. Offer basic services like mowing, raking leaves, or weeding. Gather your tools. Use what you have or ask clients to provide equipment. Set a price. Charge per job, $20 or $50, or offer weekly packages. Find clients. Advertise with flyers, social media, or word of mouth. Get that first job. Offer a discount or even one free gig to build trust. Not sure who to ask? Start with busy parents who need help keeping their yard in shape, elderly neighbors who can't do heavy yard work anymore, homeowners who want to maintain their property's curb appeal, property managers who need regular maintenance for rental homes, local businesses that have outdoor spaces needing care. Want to earn even more? Offer these extra services. Hedge trimming, shape those bushes and charge extra. Gutter cleaning, a high-demand service in the fall. Snow removal, shovel driveways and walkways in winter. Pressure washing, clean sidewalks and driveways for added seasonal planting. Help homeowners refresh their gardens. Yard work is great money, but let's keep it safe and professional. Use protective gear. Wear gloves, sunscreen, and sturdy shoes. Stay hydrated. You'll be sweating, so drink plenty of water. Be careful with equipment. Know how to use mowers, trimmers, and rakes properly. Don't overload yourself. Take jobs that match your skill and energy level. Respect clients' property. Be mindful of fences, plants, and tools. Want clients to keep calling you? Follow these pro tips. Be reliable. Show up on time and do a great job. Take before and after photos. Post them online to attract new customers. Ask for referrals. Happy clients spread the word for you. Offer loyalty discounts. Reward clients who book weekly or monthly. Accept multiple payment methods. Not everyone carries cash. Use Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal. Yard work isn't just a side hustle. It's a profitable way to help your community while earning serious cash. So grab a rake, start knocking on doors, and make your money moves. Subscribe now for more teen-friendly gig ideas that help you turn your free time into dollars.